talk about friction later. But first, talk about this. Right? All this fancy stuff you see on the internet, man. I do all that stuff. It's called. I created my own mat language because of that. So it's called direction of the vector. Vectors, right? So let's say trying to do this. So let's say you go here, right? That's x. You go up, that's y. Over here, that's x, but it's negative x. Alright, plus x. You go down, that's what it is. It's just y. If you're trying to leave the thing, right, 2 times. If you're trying to like give it some space, it's negative x plus x. You go down, right? That's negative y. Down again, negative y. But if you go down again, plus. Alright. So learn that. So this is only for this direction, right? X and Y. This is to do this simple equation that I'm trying to explain to you guys. Alright. Alright. So basically, you put X and Y flat. Alright. X and Y flat. You put the Z, right? See, squared. But you can do something a little different. Put ZX squared. Right there. Alright. ZX squared. Now, to move something, you need to push it. So you need to push it. Now, how do I make a spear? I'm bad with spears. I'm sorry. Spin around. Let's find out. That's all we're gonna do. Now, how do you spin it? Well, if you touch something, it moves, right? If you touch something, it moves. Alright? All you do, spin that thing in a circle, right? Like, so, this, for example, right? Spins. Now, I know what people are thinking. People are thinking like, if I move X and Y, it will turn to a different shape. So if I do like this, right, it'll turn to a different shape. But let's say let's say I start simple for your thinking. You're gonna put X, Y, put the rest in parameters. That thing can I move 100? I think can I go 50? All right. Then Alright. And that thing could not go. So that thing cannot go to 100 and then Z. Alright. So I think. No. I think gonna go past them. With a equal 10, you get 2 to 100. It's smaller than 50. Alright. Or equal. Alright. Set the parameters. These are not moving parameters. It's a solid block. Alright, that you do. Solid block. They don't move. But the X move. Think about it. The X move. The X is constant. Alright? Imagine this, right? Equals to 1 meters per second. X equals to 1 meters per second. Problem is, this is moving vector of spears because you put that. Reality, you put some moving vector spears. You put X meters per second. I think I should put this vector better. I don't remember all vectors, I'm sorry. Alright? This is good. So, so, yeah, this is good enough. This is gonna be a standing vector. That's what we're gonna do. So this is standing. The vector stands, right? On a spear. And X moves. Right? Back. X, Y. X and Z. X and Z. And that's 1 meters per second. So X 1 meters per second. It's on the positive side. Alright. To the positive side. Go straight out like this, straight over there. Alright. So I'm gonna put a spin to it. So create no spin. So if you look at it for a second, think about it. So it's literally just gonna move like this. Right? Huh? That's the moving vector. Huh? Huh? Now think about it. Alright. This bracket means this. Alright. You go here, and you do standing brackets. But if you're clever enough, okay, now the Y. So we're just gonna cancel out the Y and gonna have only things going this way. So basically, Y goes up. Alright, so Y goes up. So Y only goes to 200. So whole entire thing, alright? Think about it. and goes to 200. So actually it's this. Alright. So that goes up to 200. It goes 1 meters per second. Boom. Boom. Now how do I expand it? I use the parameters. Alright. How do we make it like a big equation? Very simple. You can add standing vectors close to it. Not add, but I can say something like this. Alright. Do another one like this. Alright. No, not that way. Not this way. 50 minute crunch. Jesus Christ. No. This way we're gonna do it. Alright. So if that's the West's area. So okay, so we've got X, Y, and Z. So all you're gonna do, alright, is plug this equation into that equation. So you're gonna do to spin the sphere. But you're gonna do something real different.